Hi there and welcome back to my channel. Well, in today's video, let us take a look at how do you reply to a Microsoft Teams channel messages using Power Automate Desktop. So let's get started. Now in the previous video, we've actually seen how to get the messages of a channel and how do we reply those messages. However, we've disabled this because we are going to reply using the Power Automate Desktop. So first, let's double click on this and see how we have retrieved the messages of a channel. Well, it's very simple. You drag and drop get messages in a channel and then you just specify the team and a channel messages that you would like to reply, and all the messages are stored in the current channel messages. Alright, now let's go ahead and drag and drop reply with a message to a channel's messages inside the loop, because we are going to iterate through every single message in the messages retrieved and we will reply to that message. Now post as, I'm going to go and post as a user, and that will actually take the user's connection. Post in, I'm going to post the reply in a channel. So I will simply select a channel. Well, the message ID is something which we will have when we are iterating through this current message. So let's go and pick up the current message. We have the current message. So let's scroll down and look for ID. That's the current message.id. And this is going to be a message that you would like to respond. You can also respond the message using the variable. So for now, let's say, hello, this message is the reply from the PAT. If we scroll down, we need to select the team, Power Platform. Let's select channel, which is the Power Apps Canvas, and just click on save. And let's go and click on run, and let me keep the channel open. Let's go ahead here. And I'm keeping the channel open, and let's see that it will retrieve and post the messages. It is getting the messages now. It has started posting. You can see it is posting now. See, at 10 o'clock it's posting the message. Same message is getting posted, and it is posted to all the messages. So what we have done is we have retrieved all the messages of these channel and we have gone ahead and posted the reply. You can also post the same reply using the bot option instead of the user. So that's how you can reply to messages in a Microsoft Teams channel. In the next video, we will see how do we reply with the adaptive card in the Teams channel. Well, I thank you so much for watching this video.